Welcome back to Golden Lemons. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of a delicious meal coming together in no time. In less than 30 minutes, you get this smoky, caramelized crust and melt in your mouth texture. Simple ingredients, massive flavor. It's the hug in a bowl you deserve today. This is what pure comfort in every single bite looks like. What's your go-to comfort meal? Let me know below. Let's show you how this Baingan comes to life. Begin by making the coarse Kashmiri Masala. Soak 6 Kashmiri chilies in hot water for 15 minutes to unlock that vibrant red hue. Then roughly cut them smaller into a blender. Add minced garlic to your chilies. This keeps the garlic smooth while the peppers stay perfectly coarse for that rustic masala texture. Next, toss in 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, some good amount of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the mix. It helps the blender catch every bit of spice, creating a glossy, thick masala that's ready to sear. Give it a quick pulse until coarse, and just like that, our flavor powerhouse is ready. This is the perfect texture. The garlic and spices are smooth, but the Kashmiri chilies stay bold and coarse. That chunky grit is what's going to transform into a crispy, caramelized crust on the pan. For the perfect Baingan Varuval, choose an eggplant that's firm and heavy for its size with shiny taut skin. This ensures a meaty texture that won't turn to mush when seared. Slice your eggplant into thick half-inch rounds. We're going for 3 substantial Varuval Baingan that can handle a serious sear without falling apart. Score the flesh in a deep criss-cross pattern, being careful not to pierce the skin. This creates channels for the masala to penetrate deep into the core, ensuring flavor in every single fiber. These deep cuts also act as heat vents, allowing the eggplant to cook evenly all the way through without the center staying raw or tough. Sprinkle a generous pinch of salt and spread it across the surface. Make sure to repeat this on every side. It draws out the moisture so your eggplant gets that perfect crispy sear instead of turning soggy. Gently massage it into those cores to ensure it reaches deep inside. Repeat the scoring and the salt massaging to the rest of the eggplant pieces. See how that finger just tucks in? The salt has already started breaking down the tough fibers. Let it rest for 10 minutes to draw out the excess moisture. This ensures your Baingan sears to a golden crisp instead of steaming in its own juices, locking in that meaty texture. See that excess water? That's the enemy of a good crust. Transfer to a kitchen towel and press out the moisture until it's bone dry and ready to grab onto that masala. With the moisture out, the eggplant is ready to drink up the marinade. Slather on that coarse masala, packing it into the grooves to create a heavy, spice-crusted shell. Meanwhile, heat a thin layer of oil on a medium-low flame. Spread the oil evenly. This is what transforms our paste into a crispy crust. Carefully place the Baingan masala side down, letting those spices fry directly against the heat. Cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, spread some masala onto the top and the immediately flip side. After 2 minutes, layer more masala onto the top before the flip. This ensures both sides are double coated in spice, creating a thick, uniform crust. Add drizzles of oil as it cooks. This fresh oil carries the heat deep into the scored grooves, essentially deep, frying the masala in place for a crispier, bolder crust. Patience is key. Ensure the Baingan cooks for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Add a little extra masala intermittently as it sizzles. This layering technique builds up a thick, flavor-packed glaze. Lay a bed of steaming rice on a fresh banana leaf. Now for the main event, bring that sizzling spice-crusted Baingan over to claim its crown. Sprinkle a good amount of chopped coriander leaves. Now don't you dare skip the best part. A fresh squeeze of lime juice is the secret weapon. It cuts through the rich oils and awakens every spice in that caramelized crust. It's a texture revolution, perfectly charred on the outside, yet unbelievably tender within. If you love what you see, then become part of our Golden Lemons family. Subscribe now for more fail-proof recipes that never miss the mark.